Look for My Profile in menu bar. Fill or update your details. It's mandatory to complete and update your profile to download e-card. Fill your bank details to receive the cashback amount. Upload documents for KYC verification. After filling all the details, click Submit button. Click on Download e-card in menu. Select your plan from the drop-down. Click on Search button. Click on Click here to fill member details. Click on Fill Member to fill details. Now add details of all family members. Remember, filling details of family members is mandatory in order to download e-card. Click on Update Information. Your information saved successfully. Click on Download e-card in menu. Select your plan from the drop-down. Click on Download Card button. View your downloaded e-card in next window or check your download folder. Click on each buttons to download e-card for every members.